folks. I remember back when I built my house, I bought this thing, an old Dewalt nail gun. Seems to work nothing now, but it's an old 18 volt. I think these were like $400 when I bought it, and it's crazy because the batteries are obsolete, but the tool works great. So I might actually splurge and buy a lithium one of this, and I think it comes with a lithium charger. And I found out online, I probably said this in a million videos, but it's cheaper to replace the whole battery than it is to buy new ones, and it's cheaper to buy knockoffs, and it's cheaper to buy what do you call it? It's like 40 bucks for two of them. You buy the regular Dewalt ones, they're still 100 bucks for where it was. And I don't care if they're cheap. The NiCad ones, these NiCad batteries work great in the winter. Lithium suck in the winter, but it works good. Still makes a. I've had it repaired once and it works. So, and I still say do not oil. Yep. So anyway, if you have an old, what is this? This is a Dewalt DC608, 18 volt DC, 2-inch 18 gauge brad nailer. 5/8 2-inch times 18 gauge brad nailer, accepts only 18 gauge fasteners. Does the job though. You got a lock on it. What the hell this is? I guess that's which is cool. So, yeah, good little toy. Old, but it works. Kind of like everything else in this freaking building. I'm old and it works. So, enjoy. Yeah.